MA6 vehicle has lifted off. Trajectory looks good. It's a beautiful launch.
10 years after the creation of the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin did not cope with its initial purpose: fast and cheap transactions. Moreover, large companies and pools monopolized BTC mining and, in fact, destroyed the decentralization of the network. Crypto enthusiasts decided to fix shortcomings and forked BTC. This is how cryptocurrency Microbitcoin appeared. To ensure the lowest possible transaction fees on the network, the creators of Microbitcoin have increased the total supply of coins by 10,000 times compared to BTC. Now cryptocurrency can be used in day-to-day life without exorbitant bank fees. And in order for almost instant payment processing, developers reduced the interval between the creation of new blocks. Now miners can extract 1 block per minute, which significantly speeds up transactions and reduces commissions. On top of that, Microbitcoin blockchain works on the Grøstl algorithm, which guarantees 100% protection against ASIC miners. Hence, this time, fat cats won't steal control of the system from the hands of users.